If you are trying to understand smart money concept by understanding order block, fair value gap, there is a lot of stuff out there. And if you understood it already, then you can skip this video. If you are confused, like I was in the beginning with this bunch of information, then I would recommend you to watch only this video till the end. This one video is enough to make you understand what is smart money trading or SMT. I'm gonna show you step by step what is SMT, how to identify SMT zone, and more importantly, how to trade like a smart money trader. So take note with a pen and paper, sit tight and stick till the end of this video. So before I begin, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so let's first begin. What is smart money trading or SMT? Now I know that there's a lot of BS out there that make you completely confused. So for some time, let's keep all aside and try to understand this simple image. A big fat guy with bunch of smaller guy. This is all about smart money trading. Now as you can see on the chart, there's a bunch of candles indicator, and but on the other side there is always a transaction between buyers and sellers, and that's how the market move. Now when smart money traders are trading, they put a huge volume in the market. Now one trade probably hundred thousands of lots, and to take that order on the other side they need bunch of retail trader to take their order. So therefore, when smart money are trading in the market, they look for the zone where the retail traders are putting their volume. So what does this mean? It means that smart money trade based on liquidity. So if you know where is the liquidity in the market, and when the liquidity is grabbed, that means the smart money has taken a huge volume and ready to take off, then you understand how to trade like a smart money. Now in the next steps, I will be showing you how this concept works. Now let's go to the next point, how to identify SMT zone. How do you know that when smart money started to trade? Because they don't trade like the retail trader. Whenever a retail trader wants to trade, they can open a position and they can close, but the smart money cannot. So let's find out where smart money is trading and what are the zones of smart money trading. Now I'll be showing you in a chart how to identify the smart money trading zone. Okay, so in the second step, let's understand what is a SMT zone. Now once you understand this SMT zone, as soon as you look at the chart, you know exactly where smart money is buying, because in fact in the chart you will see a bunch of candles indicator. You don't know where is the smart money is buying, so this is crucially important. And also I'll show you on the real chart how the smart money is trading. So let's look at this fundamental movement structure in the market. As you can see, the market is creating series of lower high and lower low. It is in a downtrend. Now the market will never move in one direction. At some point you could see that the break of structure or a change of trend. Now how does this change of trend happen? Now let's assume that it's a double bottom. Now there are many ways a trend could change. It could create an inverted head and shoulder, it could create a double bottom, or consolidation with a multiple liquidity grab and the market changes its trend. Now when this downtrend form, a double bottom has broken this market structure swing high, and then what we need is to wait for the price to retest of the neckline. Now it might not come to test this neckline, which we call a fair value gap. Now in case of fair value gap, we could see a structure here. In either cases, we need to see that the market has grabbed liquidity after passing this point. Now in case the market is coming to test this previous resistance as a support, this is where the smart money buy, this is what we call the SMT or smart money trading zone. Now once smart money bought from here, as they put a huge volume in the market moves, break the previous swing high and create a new higher high, and then come down for a pullback. Now why does this pullback happens? Because of the profit taking. Now once the profit is taken, we see that pullback, and then we see another wave of rise. Now that's how the market moves. Now when the market moves like that, at some point again we could see that the breakup structure. Now when a trend is established, it is not going to end as soon as it breaks. In majority of the time, you will see that when the trend is broken, the market gather liquidity and then again move in the main direction of the trend. Now once you saw that the market create couple of waves, the bulls got exhausted, you could see the market has taken the other direction and broken this swing low, either one swing low or two swing low. After creating overextended market, the market again started to move in that direction. Now how do you know that when the market again started to move in the direction? To understand it, you need to see specific price action pattern. That is the sign of smart money again buying from that zone. Simplest way to understand the smart money trading zone. Now let me show you on the real chart what are the smart money trading zone, and then we'll come back to how to trade like smart money. Now guys, this is the simplest way to understand this chart. Now if you look at this instrument, what you can see that the market has consolidated in that area, formed this double bottom, has broken that neckline of this resistance, turn support here, and we saw that after gathering liquidity with this liquidity candle, the price started to move towards the in an uptrending direction. Now it was in a locally downtrend, and we have seen that after consolidating, the market again has taken towards the uptrend. Now once you see this market is trending to the upside, as you can see, it's maintaining a typical uptrending market structure. Now at some point, what we see that first of all, you can see the first this swing low is broken, created an overextended, and then again the market has taken another wave to the upside, but again failed to create a higher high. We saw from that zone the market again has come back down to break another swing low. Now this is where the highest liquidity gap happened. Now as you can see, this is where you can see that this is where the high liquidity zone, and from that zone, after breaking this low, the market has taken a massive flight to the upside. Now these are two zones that is identified as an SMT or smart money trading zone. Now once you identify SMT or smart money trading zone, the next step is to trade like a smart money trader. Now to trade like a SMT or a smart money trader, the first step is to identify the key level of supply and demand zone. As a smart money doesn't take a trade from all area, so we need to find out that key level where there is a high liquidity. So to do that, first step, find out where the price had a highest level of bounce in the past. So let's find out that. Now if you look at this chart in the same way, we see that this is where we can see in the past the price has reached that point and created this massive drop and has gone to the upside, and we saw that from that level the price has broken to the downside and again has broken to the upside, created this massive move. Now as we have identified the resistance level here, and the same level acted here as a support, and we saw the breakout to the downside from that level and again has gone up. So this is a liquidity zone. Now if we look at past, what we saw that now the price has come back down to the same level and then created a consolidation pattern. Now if you closely look at that zone, why the price has made this massive bullish move to the upside from this level, not from any other level. Now if you look at other zone, let's say this one here, what you see that here also the price has violated but did not make that much massive move than this one. What is the secret? Now let's see what is the point. Now if you look at this lowest point, what you see that this is a very important key level. The price first time has broken that key level, created a very important level of liquidity zone, and from that zone when the price has come, if you closely look at it, just had a little more penetration than the previous one. This is the key. Even it's a slight, maybe 1 pip or 2 pip, but what we saw, the very important area of value has been violated and strongly rejected to the upside, and this is a very high liquidity zone, and we saw as a result this massive move to the upside. Now with that move, again the price created another key level. If you draw this key level here, you can see that with this candle, this is a strong liquidity candle, created this massive move to the upside again, and once the price has come back, what you saw that the price has broken that level, created another move, again the price has violated that level, created another massive move, and every time the price coming to that level, breaking that and then getting rejected, going for another big move. And this is the key zone that smart money traders look at for trading. Now once you identify that zone, let's look at lower time frame to see potential entry opportunity. Now the entry can vary based on everyone's own strategy. Some traders trade on very lower time frame, such as on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or even on the 1 hour, 4 hour, based on your trading style and strategy. Based on price action confirmation, one can enter from a smart money trading zone with a high risk to reward ratio. And as you can see in this 1 hour chart, once you identify that smart money zone and then you find proper price action confirmation, after entering the trade with a stop loss below this important zone, it can give you an incredibly powerful risk to reward ratio trade. Even 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade is possible when you trade like a smart money trader. I strongly believe that now you understood what is SMT and how to trade like a smart money trader. If you want to trade like a smart money trader, make sure you use a regulated broker so that your trade is always protected and in a safe hand. Our recommended broker is EverTrade. They are regulated globally. You can use this link to register for free and then start trading with a regulated broker. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next lesson.